Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How are you, Amina?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay. Allahu Akbar.
الله أكبر.
Allah is the greatest. Okay. Next is Tashahhud. When we read it in sitting posture, Tashahhud. Read the word Tashahhud.
تشهد.
Yeah, this is the title of this. At-tahiyyatu.
أ- الت-
At-tahiyyatu.
التحيات
Lillahi.
لله
Was-salawatu.
والصلاة والصلوات
Wat-tayyibat.
والطيبات.
Assalamu
السلام
alayka
عليك
ayyuhan nabiyyu
أيها النبي
wa rahmatullahi
ورحمة الله
wa barakatuh.
وبركاته.
Assalamu
السلام
alayna
علينا
wa ala
وعلى
ibadillahi salihin.
عباد 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 الله عباد الله الصلاة الصالحين.
Good job. Ashhadu an la ilaha
أشهد أن لا إله
illallahu
إلا الله
wa ashhadu anna
وأشهد أن
Muhammadan.
محمدا
Ha must be sharper. Muhammadan
محمدا
abduhu
عبده
wa rasuluh.
ورسوله.
That's better. Good job. Okay, you read it now.
Okay. Um. eh, what's it called again?
No, no. That's
No, the
that's that's only the nickname. Do ignore it.
uh
Yeah.
um at 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 the at at the hijat to
Yeah. At-tahiyyatu.
at the hijat
Yeah.
illahi.
There are two lams here.
uh, oh lillahi.
Yeah.
uh, was was والصلوات to
Yeah, all right. Yeah, are you
uh,
writing
um
something on the board?
no,
Okay.
no.
Mhm.
what what the what that the oh what that what what the jibatu.
We are stopping here.
what what the what the shepherd
Yeah, ta is heavy.
what what the shepherd
Uh, the G sound must not be so harsh. What طيبات.
what the shepherd
That's better. Good job. Next.
uh as as assalamu
Yeah,
alayka
yeah.
a- a- ayyuha ayyuha ayyuhanna ayyuhanna nabiy
أيها النبي.
ayyuhannabiy
Yeah, good job.
uh wa 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 warahmatu wait, yeah warahmatullahi
Good job.
wa wabarakatuh
وبركاته.
wabarakatuh tuh
Yeah.
um assalamu alaina wa ala iba ibadillah his 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 solihin uh wa al oh okay uh uh, uh ashhadu Allah Allah ilaha illallah illallahu wa ashhadu anna anna anna
Anna. 2 seconds of gunna.
anna
Yeah.
hu
We have learned it before also in the second kalima. Remember that?
no
No, in the beginning of this book we learned it, man. It's easy.
oh yeah
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan
Yeah.
ab abd abduhu
No, ba has a kalkala, man. Come on. Abduhu.
abduhu
Yeah.
wa rasulu wa rasuluh
Wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh
Yeah, good job. All compliments, prayers, and beautiful expressions are for Allah. Peace be on you, O Messenger, and Allah's mercy and blessings. Peace be on us and on all righteous servants of Allah. I bear witness that no one is worthy of worship except Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his servant and messenger. Ismail alayhi salam. One day Allah told Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to leave his wife Hajar alayhi salam and little baby son Ismail alayhi salam in a valley where nobody lived and where there was no fruit, no water, and no trees. She asked him if Allah had said to leave them there, and he said yes. That made Hajar strong because she knew very well that if Allah had asked for it, He would look after them. Ibrahim alayhis salam made dua for them before he left. After the little bit of water that they had with them had finished, baby Ismail alayhis salam started to cry because he was thirsty. His mother tried and tried to look for water but couldn't find any. There was a mountain called As-Safa. She climbed it to see if she could see any people to help her. There was nobody. So she came down and ran to another mountain called Al Marwa and climbed it to see if she could see people from there. She did that 7 times. That's why we do that during Hajj and Umrah. When Hajar got to Al Marwa for the last time, she heard a voice. So, with hope, she asked who it is and if they could help. Then she saw near baby Ismail there was an angel. The angel kicked the earth and a spring of water came flowing out. This water is very special and it is called Zamzam. The well of Zamzam is still there after all these years with lots of yummy water for us to drink. When we go for Hajj and Umrah, Hajar alayhi salam happily gave the baby some water and drank some herself. The angel told Hajar not to worry and he told her that this is the house of Allah, which Ismail and his father will build the Kaaba. Because there was now water there, slowly more people came to the valley and made their homes there too. When Ismail alayhis salam had grown into a man, his father told him that Allah has ordered him to build a house with Ismail's help. Ismail was pleased to help him do this great and wonderful job. He brought the heavy stones from all around while his father built the house. When the walls of the house became high, Ismail brought a stone for his father to stand on and carry on building. While they were building, they kept praying to Allah to accept their work. Once the Kaaba was built, many people came for Hajj to the house of Allah. This house is full of blessings and it is a guidance. That's why Allah has said that all men and women must go for Hajj at least once in their lives. So, once a year in the month of Dhul Hijjah, believers go for Hajj. People from all over the world go. It is a beautiful journey indeed. When you go, inshallah, you will see the Kaaba and the mountains that Hajar climbed, and you will drink the special Zamzam water. You can even see the place where Ibrahim alayhis salam stood on a stone to build the Kaaba. Have you ever gone to Mecca or Medina, Amina?
No.
Oh,
But my grandma went and she brought back the Zamzam water.
oh, that's great. Okay, the plastic, the plastic plate. There was a poor carpenter who was getting old. He had lost all his strength and now he was gradually losing his eyesight too. Because of his shaky hands, he could no longer hold a spoon properly. He spilled more food on the tablecloth than he was able to put in his mouth. His son and daughter in law were always telling him to be careful. They would get very angry with him, especially when the food dribbled down his chin. Finally, they set a separate table away from theirs. His little grandson Hassan felt very sad about his grandfather. He tried to help him by holding the spoon for him so he would not spill his food. One day, the old man accidentally dropped and broke his plate while he was eating. He looked at his children sitting at the table with tears in his eyes. They got very angry. They scolded him and broke his heart. From that time on, they served him his meals in plastic plates. One day, the carpenter's son told his wife not to put the fruit on the plastic plate and told her to throw the plates into the trash. Hassan took two of the plates and told his mother not to throw them away. for they will need the plates in the future. What do you want them for? His father asked. Hassan replied, I will use them for your meals when you get older. Hassan's parents felt very ashamed. They started to let their father eat with them once again. If the son and his wife had only known that the best way to get into heaven was to treat our parents well, they would probably not have acted in such a way. Our Prophet made this clear in the following hadith. Allah's pleasure is gained in pleasing parents, and Allah's wrath is incurred in upsetting the parents. Allah is all knowing. Allah knows what is in the heavens, He knows the secrets and what is more deeply hidden. He knows what is in our hearts, He is the Creator. How should He not know? He knows what is in the seven heavens and what is between them and what is beneath them. He knows what is beneath the surface of the land. He knows what is in the depths of the oceans. He knows the point of growth of every tree and every tree that grows. He knows the place where every leaf will fall and all the grains of sand. He knows the weights of all the mountains. He knows the measures of all the oceans. He knows the actions of his servants and their secret thoughts. He knows the breaths they breathe and the words they speak. He knows everything. Nothing of this is hidden from him. Allah knows what is in our hearts. He knows our secrets. Allah knows what we do in the day. He knows what we do at night. Allah's knowledge covers everything. Allah is all seeing. He sees the things we do. Allah sees His servants. He sees the things they do. He is aware of everything. One morning, grandfather Salman called his four grandchildren over. He gave them a date each and asked them to eat it where no one would be able to see them. After a half hour, they returned. He asked them one by one if they had found a good hiding place to eat their dates. All except Ahmad said no. Someone said he had hidden behind the sofa, the other behind the curtain, and another under the bed. When grandfather asked Ahmad why he had not eaten the date, he said that he could not find any place where he could hide from Allah. Grandfather was pleased with Ahmad and gave him another date to enjoy. All
I've
right,
heard that.
please read it.
Okay. Stopping on standing signs. The standing signs do not change whether we read the word in regular mode or stopping mode. Sound round thought is just an exception. Stopping on madda letters. If a word ends with alif madda, waw madda, or ya madda, then nothing changes whether we continue reading or stop. The length of the final sound will remain 1 second.
Yeah, so it is qalu. This one is also qalu in stopping mode. It will remain the same. Similarly, bima remains the same when we stop. Similarly, tajari remains the same even if we stop. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
All right, good job. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam.